I was lightning before the thunder.
Thunder, 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 thunder,
Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. But if you're new, hi, my name's Kinsey, and today's video is going to be a DIY cat bed, which was actually really fun, and my cats seem to really like it. So anyways, if you're new, hi, yeah, I already introduced myself, but I'm Kinsey, and if you like DIYs and hauls and stuff, then you should totally go down below and subscribe, and while you're down there, turn on post notifications so that you can get notified when I upload, and give this video a thumbs up because give this video a thumbs up if you love cats, because cats are just so nice. So yes, today's video is my DIY cat bed, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, let's just hop right into it. First, I'm just going to put my cat in here so that I can kind of get a look on how tall I need the doorway to be inside and out. And I'm just going to draw little dots and then connect the dots with a marker to show the outline of the door. Now I'm just taking a small saw and cutting it out. And this was super easy if you have a handyman. Now I'm just going to take this file and file along the edges to make sure there's nothing sharp or like jagged hanging out. And I'm just using a plain old file and going back and forth along the edges. Now I'm going to get a little rough measurement of the sides, and then I'm also measuring it with a yardstick and putting that down on my piece of foam, like paper I guess. And then I'm just going to begin to cut that out using a little knife, box cutter knife. So these work the best, I did learn. Now I'm just going to trace this again 2 times on another piece of paper, because I'm going to need this 2 more times because I'm doing double layers. Now I'm going to get 2 of them and put some hot glue on one and then stick it one to the other one, and this is going to hold them together. Then I'm going to place it inside the tote to make sure it fits okay, and do the same to the other 2. Now here I'm just getting some measurements of along the bottom of the tote, and then I'm just going to use my scrap pieces to make a thin layer of foam on the bottom. So here's what it looks like, and now I'm just going to take first a kind of mat and put that on the bottom. Then I'm just going to take a towel, fold it up, and it's a fluffy towel so it should be good, and a little scarf fleece thing that has little pieces of yarn that I thought they might want to play with in for cushion. Now on the lid, I'm going to hot glue this little mat for cushion if they want to sit on the top. And this is super easy, and it just kind of makes finishes the look so it doesn't really look like that much of a tote. And so yeah, just putting some hot glue on the edges and then holding it down onto the plastic. And here is what the inside looked like in the end. And as you can see, lots of my cats loved it. And now I'm gonna have a little montage. So that is all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And yeah, thanks for watching. That's all I have. Kenzie out.